How to add text on CapCut. Open the CapCut application. Make sure you've opened the project where you want to add the text. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on the option text that you can see at third. Once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to find various options related with text. Tap on the option Add Text. Now the text box will be added. You can see over here you'll be able to enter the text. Enter the text that you would like to add over here. Once you do that, you can select the templates. Simply tap on the template of your choice. Likewise, you can also select the fonts, styles, effects and animations according to your choice. Once you do that, tap on the right icon. You can see over here the text has been added. You can also select the duration of the text by simply dragging the text box. Like this, you can add text on CapCut. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.